Welcome to section 20.14 of Metabolism. In this section, we will be memorizing the details of zinc. Now, this story takes place in a psychiatric office. At the center of the image is a disturbed little boy. See him ink all of these eerie images. Looking at his ink patterns act like a window into his madness. All of this ink will help you remember zinc. Ink, zinc. Now look at his little armpits. Clearly no hair. This is to help you remember that there is decreased adult hair in zinc deficiency. This includes decreased axillary hair, facial hair, and pubic hair. Through the window, you can see a patient getting carried away on a stretcher in the hallway. Now, the stretcher is a symbol we like to use for decreased immunity. A deficiency of zinc can decrease one's immunity. The fact that he is locked into a straitjacket just further emphasizes that his immune system is suppressed. Now here's the psychiatrist himself. Look at him protect his gonads from this vicious child with the broom. Ultimately, the child with the broom is going to win the skirmish and damage his loins. Now this idea represents hypogonadism with zinc deficiency, which simply means decreased hormone production from the ovaries or testes. With zinc deficiency, people can have hypogonadism. Now look at this brown, smelly mess. What is all that brown stuff this goober is smearing around? I wouldn't ask. In any case, it's super smelly. You've got the stink lines and everything. Now this mess doesn't represent anything you need to remember, but it helps tie together some other items in the story. In response to this brown, smelly mess, some workers in the office can barely contain themselves. Notice this one on the right is gagging. This gagging will help you remember dysgeusia. Dysgeusia describes an altered or distorted sense of taste, which can occur with zinc deficiency. So gagging represents distorted taste. Now look at the worker on the left. She's reacting to the smell by plugging her nose. This nose plugging will help you remember anosmia, which means loss of the sense of smell. Now look at this boy completely naked climbing up the bookshelf. Most of these books haven't been discredited yet, so let's hope he doesn't cause too much damage while he's up there. Now since he's naked, we might as well talk about that weird rash on his leg and bum. This rash is called acrodermatitis enteropathica. Acrodermatitis enteropathica is a rare inherited form of zinc deficiency that can cause a severe rash like this around the buttocks and the mouth. Now, acquired zinc deficiency can also have this rash, so it's safe to remember this idea for inherited and acquired zinc deficiencies. Now, the chaos has really gotten the better of this worker, and she's seen drinking away all her problems with a big old bottle of alcohol. She is also wearing this little nifty fanny pack. It's shaped like a liver. She probably keeps emergency hand restraints in there just in case. The alcohol and the liver-shaped fanny pack will help you remember that zinc deficiency can predispose patients to alcohol-induced cirrhosis of the liver. So liver and alcohol, alcoholic cirrhosis. And with that, we have concluded our story for zinc.